In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a new Wish account. So this will work on both Android devices and iOS devices, and you just want to go to your App Store and search for Wish in the App Store. And then you want to go ahead and make sure you have it installed on your phone, and in this case I have it installed already, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And it's going to take you to this page, and then you just need to fill in the information and then tap on create an account in the blue box. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I've gone ahead and filled in all my information. Then I just have to tap on create an account. It's going to load. Then you will just have to tell the app more about yourself. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Tap on finish, and you would have successfully signed up for an account if you followed those steps. And you can go ahead and skip this stage. Tap on no thanks, unless you obviously want to take advantage of that special offer. I don't. And then you can go ahead and search at the top for whatever you want to search for, and you'll be able to access the Wish app and purchase things from the Wish app. So that is how you create a new account on the Wish app. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.